Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. This is my, rigid high torque hammer drill, 1250 inch pounds. I think it's 32 or 33,000 beats per minute. Going to be hammering a paver here. Speed 2 with an 8 amp EXP battery. Okay. Kind of blew the top off, but we'll still go with it. Okay. Now. I want to do this test again. I'll do it in the future with a brand new paver. Okay. I don't like that. That ain't straight enough. That's even worse. Okay, this is the, Milwaukee M18 Gen 4 fuel. Okay, this has got 2100 RPMs and 33,000 beats per minute. Let's go back to the RIDGID and see what it has. This says 2,000 RPMs. I'm pretty sure this is 32,000 beats. It's 1,000 less than the Milwaukee. 6 amp XC battery, speed 2. Wow. Woo. Okay, that's just as far as I did on the RIDGID. Okay. Okay. Now, here we go. Okay, the flex. Now, flex. 2,500 RPMs on turbo. And I don't know how many beats per minute this does. Let me flip this brick. I'm gonna have to get a new brick to do some real good testing. Okay. Okay. 6 amp stacked lithium, fully charged. Speed 2, turbo on. Wow. Let's flip it over again. It's almost chiseling it away. Okay, I gotta get another paver. Wow. Wow. Yeah, let's redo that. I drilled it into the hole I did with the Milwaukee. Thought, man, this Flex has got a hell of a fucking turbo on it. Man. Okay. That'd be one hell of a freaking drill, man. If we could hammer that fast. That's faster than an SDS drill could pull off. Man. Man, they'd be selling a million of these drills. Okay, let's redo that test. Flex, turbo, hammer drill, 6 amp, stacked lithium, fully charged. Wow. Wow, this thing's got some balls. Let me take a look at the stats on this drill. I know I got the stats on it. I know I do. Wow. Wow. If I could just find them. Here they are. Okay, let's take a look at the... I got the original box I bought it in late last summer. Let's see. Speed 1. No turbo. 0 to 550. No turbo. 0 to 2. Turbo speed 1. 700. Turbo speed 2500. Impact rates 32,000 impacts. Let's see what the Milwaukee does. The Milwaukee does 33,000. And I'm pretty sure that the RIDGID does 32,000 too. I think the Flex kicked both their asses. Well, like I say, you can't do no wrong. Flex turbo hammer drill with a 6 amp stack lithium. That's the biggest battery I have. This, the Milwaukee M18 Gen 4 fuel. The 6 amp battery is the biggest battery I have. And then, RIDGID high torque with the 8 amp EXP battery is the biggest battery I have. They're all nice drills. You can't do wrong with any one of the three. As far as I'm concerned, they're all close enough to each other. The Milwaukee's probably about the most expensive with a 6 amp. Flex I know is on sale, and the RIDGID you can get for I think probably about $275, $300. Okay, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.